and this is Cooking with Shwana. Okay, today we're going to make chicken Bhatura. It's a bread which is stuffed with chicken mixture with the vegetables and spices. I'm going to start off by making the dough. So I'm going to be using some self-raising flour with some salt. I'm using some yogurt, plain yogurt. Doesn't have to be Greek yogurt or any expensive yogurt because the tangier the better, really. Okay, and into that I'm going to crack 1 egg. Once it sits for about half an hour, it'll be fine. You'll be able to handle it quite well. You don't need to have it very stiff, but you mustn't leave it too soft. Now Bhatura are quite nice. I'm going to stuff these, but you can have these with the halwa instead of the puri. Works quite well, and you can eat it with your vegetables and your curries. Very nice, very soft, very light. Right, as you can see, you don't need to knead this too much. It's quite soft, a little bit sticky, but don't worry about that. As I said, as it rests, it will be fine. Now you've got to cover this and leave this for at least about half an hour, up to an hour if you can. So I'm heating up a large frying pan. I'm going to add some oil. Then I'm going to be adding the ginger and garlic. Fry that. Add the cumin seeds. Keep the temperature on high. I'm going to be adding the chicken. Stir it until it gets some sort of colour. Colour's changing. I'm going to add some salt and some black pepper and green chillies and a big tablespoon of tomato puree. Okay, stir all that together. As the spice is frying, it's taken on a really nice colour. Now the chilies that I've put extra in because I'm going to be putting some vegetables into this, some sweet corn, some peppers. So you need to balance it all out. I'm going to be adding 1 cup of water to this. I'm going to bring it to a boil. And then I'm going to leave it covered for about 15 minutes. I want this chicken to be so soft that I can mash it with a fork. Okay, so we'll bring this to the boil. Okay, it's come to the boil. I'm going to cover the pan, and I'm going to leave this to simmer for about 15 minutes. Coming from the peppers and the onions. I don't want my mixture to be wet. It has to be dry. So if I do it like this, all the moisture gets dried up before I add it to the chicken. sometimes you get an aftertaste when you have these peppers, and doing it this way you don't. Well, I find I don't. Sweet corn as well, just for texture, and it looks colourful. It's nice and good for you. I'm going to add a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. A bit along. That's fine. I'm going to stir fry this until it's totally dry. You see this liquid in there? That's going to be dry. So I'm just going to sort of like mash it up with my spoon. Nice and dry, but it's going to be very dry, drier than this. All the moisture has to be dry. Stirring. Break it down with your spoon. You can't have anything too chunky in the bhatura because it might pierce the bread. It might pierce the dough, and when you're frying, the oil will seep into the bhatura. So everything's going to be very fine, very soft. Almost done. Right, still moisture in there. Work on this one here. As you can see, I have mashed it up with my wooden spoon. You can use mince if you want to. I don't like to buy mince from the butchers. I'd rather do it this way. Still frying this, taking all that moisture out of this. Okay, all done. I'm going to take the vegetables and I'm going to put it in with the chicken. Peppers are cooked, nice and soft. So mix that in. Okay. Now's a good time to see if you need more chilli, more salt, any other seasoning that you want to put in. Now's a good time to do it. There's still, can you see a little bit of water there? It's still on heat, so I've still got it on heat. I'm still stirring it. Medium boiled potato, which I've mashed up. This helps bind the whole thing together, so that when you break your bhatura, the filling doesn't fall out. Nice and colourful. Okay, now I'm going to turn it off the heat and I'm going to let this cool down, and then we'll make the bhatura. The mixture is all cooled down now. I'm going to add some fresh coriander and mix that in well. Right, the dough has been resting about an hour and a half. I'm going to take some flour in my hand and take out a ball of dough. Coat it with flour, just thin the edges. Put it in your hand like this. Right, take a spoonful. Don't overpack this because the pastry might split and then the oil will seep in. About a heaped tablespoon in there. Bring the sides together. Bring it up. Pinch it, and that's it. Okay. Use a little bit of flour, not too much, and press down, spreading that mixture around. Gently roll out. Make sure the oil is hot. So I'm just going to put the, can you see that little bit of dough it's risen to the top quite quickly? That's how you want it. Okay? Now take your bhatura and gently slide it in. Use the sides, don't burn yourself, and just gently move it around. It starts bubbling up. It doesn't take long for it to turn golden. Okay. Then gently use another spoon and turn it over. Nice and golden. I'm going to take that out, drain off any excess oil, just put it on some heated towel. Okay, and then go on to make the next one. Ideally, you should make all the balls in one go, stuff them, and then roll them out and fry them one at a time instead of leaving the oil on heat. This is chicken bhatura.